You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase, especially the name of this French mathematician that established this distribution. But there's also a sequence, there's also a theorem that are named after him, and he was French. A problem, equations. Cauchy is the French pronunciation, it's how it should be said. Cauchy, his full name. I can link to a full video where you can learn how to pronounce it. Cauchy distribution is how it's pronounced. So it's not Cauchy, it's not Cauchy, Cauchy. And the CH is pronounced like SH in French. So Cauchy, Cauchy, you could say in English. English pronunciation, Cauchy distribution. In French, Cauchy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.